Hi guys, myself Abhishek Bansal. I am from Mumbai. I take final ka audit and inter law and audit. So here's a quick video to update you about the changes. When I'm recording the video, the results are just around, and people appearing for May 24 for the first time, or people shifting from November 23 to May 24 due to any reasons in CA final. So here's a quick update on the changes in CA final audit. Firstly, the subject name has been changed to Advanced Auditing, Assurance and Professional Ethics. First, it was only Advanced Auditing and Professional Ethics. So Assurance has been added. As such, no difference for us. But yeah, so there are a few changes in the chapters. Like if you talk about syllabus, I'll quickly update you. There are 19 topics in the module. There are modules are divided into 3 modules. So there are total 19 topics. So if you see from my book, quality control is exactly same. It is basically SQC1 and SA 220, same. General auditing principle talks about few essays, SA 240, 250, 260 and 219. There are 4 essays here, so no change. The topic name is changed, although what has happened is, what they have done is, they have just, the chapter of standards on auditing, they have divided into different chapters. So quality control, I would say this is same, this is again same, this is basically your 4 essays, 240, 250, 260, 299, okay. Audit planning, strategy and execution, again it is your SA 300. Here you will have SA 520, 540. Here you will have SA 315, 330, SA 450 plus SA 610, SA 620. Plus the risk assessment ka content, what the chapter used to be in internal control system, exactly, plus ICS chapter. So ideally no change, no change. Internal financial controls, it's a part of ICS only, that's the same point. Audit evidence will have all essays of 500 ka series, 500, 501, 20, no 20 is not, the 520 is above, okay. So 530, 540 is above, 550, 560, till 550 you have here in audit evidence. So 500, 501, 510, 530, 550 essays. 560, 70, 80 is in completion and review. Reporting it is 700, 701, 05, 06, 10, 20. So all essays are there. Now someone would say, sir, what is essay 600? There's a chapter called as group audits. 600 is here. So ideally essays are there, same, exactly same. So chapter number 1 to 7 is full of your essay base, essay, full essay, okay. Caro is exactly same as of old. Reporting on fraud under section 143, fraud reporting, 1 crore wala fraud, exactly same. Duties of auditor, if you remember section 143, 1, 2, 3, exactly same, no change. Company audit ka maximum content they have deleted and this they have added. Only 143, 1, 2 and 3 is there. Now, new chapters, specialized areas, new chapter, related service, new chapter, new chapter, new chapter, digital audit, new chapter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means specialized areas, related service, review of financial information, prospective financial information and digital audit. Digital audit is basically an advanced version of automated environment. So this 5 chapters is added, specifically added. New, totally new chapter. This is basically SAEs, SREs, SRS, all those content is here. Group audit is nothing, basically your audit of CFS chapter of the old syllabus. NBFC is same, bank audit is same, PSA audit same, internal audit same. Internal audit will have a reference of SA 610 also again. Investigation due diligence same, forensic accounting same. New chapter, sustainable development goals, social and governance, new chapter. Code of ethics same. So ideally how many topics are new? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chapters are new. Rest everything is same. Everything else is deleted. Everything else is deleted. If you remember a little bit of LODR was there, peer review was there, quality review was there, everything, all those things they have deleted. Acha, in quality control, the first chapter, they have added the content of peer review and quality. Just one para. One para they have added. So ideally there is no change. Little bit reference they have given, NAFRA ka reference they have given, quality review ka they have given a reference. As such there is no change. If you read it from the model directly, it will be very easy. So ideally if someone is confused, what is the change? Nothing is changed. Only 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 18 chapters specifically newly added there. So 3, 4, 5, 6 chapters are new. Okay. Now people who are appearing for the May 24 for the first time, or in case people who are appearing for, in case if you could not clear due to any reason, or you did not appear for the exam and you wish to appear for May 24, if you want to buy only amendments, so you can go to www.yashashacademy.com, www.yashashacademy.com. There you will see only amendments ka link. Okay, so go to yashashacademy.com. Okay, you will go to shop here, now when you go to shop here, okay, you will see CA final audit. This is about the regular batch. Below that you will see an amendment ka link, only amendments. So 2000 rupees 1999 is the amendment ka lectures, that is with soft copy of notes. With hard copy it is 249. So I'll be giving you this chapter ka notes, only this chapter ka notes plus the questions on this. Okay, now so this is the first part. So in case if you wish to buy only amendments, it's coming at 1999. If you want to buy exam oriented batch, again it is in 100% English, specifically for South Indian students. Okay, it's coming at 5625, that is after discount of 10% on 6250. This is with the hard copy of 2 books, main book and question book. Main book and question book, that would be close to 110 hours. Okay, amendments would be approximately 30 to 35 hours. 30 to 35 hours. Okay, exam oriented batch would be close to 100 to 120 hours. Okay, so this is for people appearing for May 24. November 24 people, there's a regular batch for you which is at 8500. It will be approximately 140 plus hours, plus you'll get main book, question book, MCQ book plus revision notes separately. Okay, where we'll be revising and revision notes separately. So people appearing for May 24, you can take amendment wala batch. If you just wish to watch amendments, it is in 100% English. If you wish to buy exam oriented batch, you can buy at 5625. That is basically your exam oriented batch, which covers your entire main book and the question book plus 100 hours ka video. And people appearing for November 24, May 25 and onwards attempt. Okay, you can buy Google Drive. That batch would be starting in the month of February 24. So that I'll be recording separately and then dispatching it. So I think by 10th or 15th Feb, you'll be getting a link. So that will start for November 24, May 25 and November 25 attempts. We'll be starting the batch in the month of Feb. So it will be a fresh live batch and then we'll be sending the recording. So people appearing in May 24, you can take amendments or you can take exam oriented batch. I hope you are clear with what is the change. As such, 6 chapters are added. Everything else is related. Standards, they are bifurcated into different topics. Okay, they can ask you MCQ, they can ask you descriptive, they can ask you anything. If you wish to buy only the book, you can buy book also. You can check it on the Yashash Academy website or you can check it on Amazon. Main book and question book is out right now. Okay, either of it you can buy. You can take book, you can take exam oriented batch, you can take only amendment ka part. Okay, so all the best guys. I hope I get to see you on the other side. Post qualification. May 24 gonna be an amazing attempt because the first attempt with the new syllabus. I hope everybody who appears gets clear as soon as possible. All the best guys, keep smiling. I hope I get to see you in the class and post class as a chartered accountant. Keep smiling. Bye bye guys, take care.